Hi guys, how are you all doing? Hope you're all doing well. Thank you for joining and for watching another video. I appreciate you all. My channel members, I appreciate you all also, no matter the level of membership that you're at. I appreciate your support, my returning subscribers, my new subscribers, those that just watch and don't leave a comment. I appreciate you all, guys. I appreciate your time. It's not taken for granted. So on today's video, we look at how to insert a watermark into our videos. Simple layman term, how to insert our channel name into our videos. We won't look at how to insert our profile picture, or channel profile picture, on another video. We will look at that. This tutorial is being done via my phone. On another tutorial, we will look at using the editing hubs, as it gives you more features. The phone is my phone, that is, it's kind of limited. It keeps the the watermark still, while on the editing hub you can get it. It gives you motion features. So that's the only difference. But if you don't know how to use an editing hub and you only have one phone, yeah, let's dive into today's so first, let's define what is a watermark and the importance of you inserting your channel name into your video. A watermark is a visible semi-transparent image, logo, or text that is superimposed into a video or a digital content. The purpose of a watermark, it is to identify the creator and assert ownership of the content. It acts as a digital signature that can be placed in a corner, across the entire screen, or anywhere on the video, anywhere you wish to put the watermark. It's your video, you personalize it the way you want it to appear. Importance of a watermark on your YouTube video. Adding a watermark to a YouTube video, it is very important for several reasons. Primarily focused on branding and content protection. So primarily it focuses on branding and content protection. 1. Brand recognition. A watermark reinforces a creator's brand identity. It serves as a visual reminder to viewers of who made the content, which can help increase brand awareness. When a video is shared on other platforms, the watermark ensures that the creator's brands travel with it. Copyright protection. A watermark can act as a deterrent against unauthorized use and content theft. While it doesn't guarantee a video won't be stolen, it makes it more difficult for someone to claim ownership of the content without your permission. In cases where a video is re-uploaded, the watermarks serve as an evidence of the original creator's ownership. Also, it encourages subscription. YouTube branding features allow creators to add a clickable watermark that acts as a subscribe button. This makes it very easy for viewers to subscribe to your channel, which can help boost subscribers' growth. Professionalism and legal legitimacy. A watermark can make a video look more professional and authentic, especially if it includes a well-designed logo. This can help build trust with viewers and establish a creator's credibility. So now that we have looked into a few reasons why watermark, inserting your channel name into your video, why is it important, we will get into the tutorial. So first, you will click on the pencil icon on your phone, and you will see a lot of tools there that you use to edit your video. For this video, we'll focus on the smiley face emoji. When you click on it, you will see draw, stickers, text. We'll focus on the text option. You can choose the color that you want your logo, your watermark to appear. You can choose yellow, you can choose blue, white, anything, the color that you love. For this video, I will use green. And then you just click on done. When you finish choosing it, when you finish choosing the logo, you will just click on green. Guys, we just have to have patience when we are editing our videos. So now that we have choose our color, you can choose how you want your letters to appear, whether you want the fronter, if you want it, how you want it. For this one, we will choose that fronter. So we'll begin now by typing in our channel name. My channel name is Blessed Life Journey. So I will type in Blessed Life Journey. And then this, guys, the cursor at the side, you can play with it if you want it to be doubled or in a single line format. So you use that cursor at the side to give you how do you want your text to appear. Remember, we said you can put it at the top, you can put it in the middle, you can put it at the side, at the either side, left side, right side, middle, anywhere. For your channel name to feature throughout your video, this highlighted portion, you have to move it. So you'll click on that, and then you'll drag this. If you just want it to be at the end of the video, then it will only be at the end of the video. So you select the highlighted portion that you want it to be in. If you want it to be just in the middle and not flowing across throughout the entire duration of the video, or if you just want it to be at the front, you will just move your cursor, this icon, accordingly. For this video, I'll allow it to be featured throughout the video, the entire duration of this video. So I will leave it like that, and then most importantly, you will click on save. Remember that you have to save your work. If you don't save it, then it won't appear throughout the video. So you will just click on save. And also remember that we look at the importance on why we insert our channel name into our video. If you want it to be flown across, you just click on it, and then you use your thumb to move it across. If you want it to be bold, you just use your thumb to take it across, or you want it to be small. So you play around with it. If you don't want it to be straight, that's up to you. We all have different style, different taste, so you just play around with it. If you don't like it, then you'll click on the delete button, and then it will be gone forever. But for this tutorial, we want it to be inserted into our video. So let me put it back, and then let me ensure that it is being shown throughout the duration of the video. So thank you all, guys, for watching another tutorial. Hopefully this was helpful to you. Drop your comment down below. Your support means a lot. And as I always say, guys, continue to be that reason for someone to smile. Speak blessings over your lives, because no matter what your journey in this life is, it is blessed. See you all, guys, on another tutorial. Bye, guys.